Hey guys, thanks for joining us at iDub. My name is Tyson and I'm here with Keith Perera, the Warrior Hockey Product Manager. Today we're going to be going over some of the differences in the new Warrior sticks. So Keith, how about you start us out with the new AK stick?
Yeah, the new AK stick is new for 2010. Basically what we've done is we've kind of leveraged some of the success that we've had with the AK product at the NHL level. Okay. So a lot of the features that we had at the NHL level with the guys, like the velvet finish, and the precision flex, the soft core blade, the 10K wrap on the blade. These are a lot of the features that the pros told us they liked and we wanted to bring to the retail market as well.
Yeah, definitely. I really like that nice, soft, matted kind of finish you guys threw on that.
Yeah, this was actually, when we had first developed it, this was something that really created some groundswell with the pros because they really liked that finish because it wasn't too grippy, but it wasn't a clear finish either. It was real nice. It gave just a little bit of tension against the gloves.
Yeah, kind of a nice in between.
Yep.
Now also a new feature on your guys' sticks that you guys are using is the double D on the blades.
Yes.
So how about you tell us a little bit about what you guys were kind of going for with that double D technology?
Double D really was first introduced on the Dolomite double D. And really what we've done was we took a lot of the research that we did on the blade feel, a lot of the things that we've learned through the years on a nice solid feel through the heel and also very lightweight through the toe. And what we found through our mocap testing is that with a lighter weight blade tip, it actually creates a little bit more speed through the puck. And also with a nice solid feel through the heel, it gives you a nice feel when you're receiving a puck on the pass. So that's how double D works. It's a dual density.
A little more solid, but then soft at the same time.
A little more solid through the heel of the blade, and then a little bit more air bubbles through the tip of the blade.
Okay. And now in that camera work, that's just the slow motion kind of frame by frame that you guys are looking at,
motion
right?
capture was actually something that we developed on our own on the side, and we've actually used with our pro players. What we did was to better fit our pro players, we've been known in the NHL to really fine tune and fine fit a lot of those players out there with the blades, the packages that they use in the shaft, and also the feel that they get in the blade, the flex in the blade. And we use mocap to help fine tune them and actually add numbers to a lot of the things that these players were feeling. So it's actually helped us a lot actually on our R&D side for better sticks to the market.
Okay. And then also, so another difference kind of between, we're looking at the two Dolomites here, is you guys are using a little bit of a different taper on
yes. The Dolomite actually features our precision taper, which actually what it does is it allows for more of a lower kick. The precision taper actually will show more lower in the stick of more lower into the shaft of the stick. Whereas in the Dolomite spine, we use a linear taper, and what that does is it provides a longer flex arc for the player, which we found, again, from motion capture, we found that it gives a little bit more accuracy with slap shots and snap shots, and also with wrist shots as well, because the whole entire length of the shaft loads instead of a more focused area.
Now, do you get a little more power out of that too with that larger flex?
Yes, you do. It works differently for different players. So a player that likes more of a longer taper, more of a longer load area, would be better suited with a Dolomite spine.
Okay. And then also kind of another difference calling out between this one and the next one is that spine technology. How about if you touch on what you guys were looking for of creating that spine? Yeah,
the spine technology, what that does is it actually creates, the geometry in the blade creates more carbon composite surface area because it fills in those voids in the mold. So what that actually does is it actually provides you with more carbon through the blade. And again, from mocap testing, we found that a lot of blades were opening up for some of our pro players. Where we've added this geometry, it actually helped to alleviate that opening of the blade and more direct energy transfer into the puck.
All right, so it's going to give you that a little more energy as well as giving you that accuracy as well.
Absolutely.
Right, and then I noticed that you guys are using a little bit of a different spine technology on these two guys. So I have the Chronic here, and that has more of a ridge design coming down here, and then this one with the Dolomite has a slightly different design too.
Yes, the major difference between the construction of the spine technology in the Chronic and the spine technology in the Dolomite is the fact that the Chronic is a true one-piece construction, which means that the entire shaft and blade are molded together. Okay. And for that construction and that flex characteristic, this spine geometry works best with that flex characteristic in the Chronic. Another thing that we feature in the Chronic is our spine technology in the shaft, and what that allows for is less slop. So again, that direct energy transfer out goes into the puck.
Okay, yeah, and then also as far as that that one-piece design to it has a nice balance feel as well.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does, and that's of course given to you from the fact that it's molded as one whole piece.
Well, great. Thanks for stopping by.
No problem.
Once again, this is Keith Perera from Warrior Hockey. My name is Tyson, and this is at Inline and Ice Warehouse.